Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Another day, another haul video. A couple of packages today and we're gonna look through what we got. Okay, the first package, this is a very small one. There's only one item in here. Mary Poppins, I think. Oh no, it's a man. And then you can remove the umbrella and put it somewhere next to it. Or to make it look like he's holding it. Next package. Little lamb. I really like this. They're really cute, but I feel like it's just the details is too small. Not the easiest to color. Why do they put these always on the middle, on the important stuff? And it's so hard to get off. You can't even get it off. Anyways, this is it. There's a bear sliding down. Next one, a sheep and little bunnies sleeping. That's exactly what I want to be doing right now. Next package. Alright, here we have stamps. These blobs, water liquid blobs. Okay, so these are two different. I call these the backgrounds, so you can do really cool backgrounds for journals. And then we have a large sentiment with the months, days and months. The full month of the name and the short version, Jan, Feb, Mar, April. Next package, this looks like a thick one. Wow. Alright, so there's a lot of things in here. I'm gonna try to show you guys as quick as I can because we do have some other packages. If you would like to see anything closer, then just feel free to pause at any time. These are little ones. Very cute. Almost looks like my dog. I have a Yorkie. Bear. It looks like we have some cutting dies, which I think will go with some of the stamps. Like there's this stamp and I see that there's a cutting die for it. So what I'm gonna do is secure them together with a little bit of tape. So these are owls. These sentiments are very, very, very small. I don't like it. Alright, we have this frame, heart frame, and then we have these cat lovers and Mr. and Mrs. Perfect for like congratulations on your wedding. I love tea. Yes, I do. Ooh, look at that unicorn. Very pretty. I will not know the quality of it until I actually test it out. So those will be in like individual videos. A bunny heart and then a bunny. This one looks very familiar. It's like a little house in the moon. On the moon? Yeah? I'm not really sure what this says. If you read it like this, no. It was upside down. Noel. And then we have a carriage and a cat right here. Then a very big snowflake and a leaf part. And then here we have Santa going over some houses. And I think we'll be able to make a shaker out of this to make it look like it's snowing in the background. We have a bunny, Easter bunny with eggs, a gnome, Alice. Look at that, that's very good. And then we have the moon and a swan. Here I have some drinks, time for some holiday spirit. And looks like with this I have cutting dies there. Yeah, I think this is it. Yep. Cutting dies with these drinks. And these are supposed to be holiday drinks. Okay, little piggies. And then it looks like we have a cutting die with this as well. Matching. So a cutting die with these little piggies. Very, very good. Then we have a mermaid. This bunny clock. Did you guys see any rainbow in here? Because I have this cutting die and I thought maybe it came with something, but I cannot find it. Unicorns. So unicorns. That's done for this package. All right, a lot more packages to go. So let's get to it. Okay, looks like we got a gift, a little leaf as a gift. And then here we have frames. One frame and the other one. Good. I like it. Lots of details, so hopefully it will come out good. Yeah. We'll see when we test those out. Next, very thin package. In here we have a peacock. Yeah, so peacock. You're gonna put the body in the middle, and I see that there's knives right here, and on the inside it will not be like this. It will just be one piece, but it kind of gives you like a ruler to show you where to color, but it will not actually cut it out on the middle. But it's very cute. We got a big peacock and a smaller one. Looks like there's a lot of things in here. There's a few, yeah. Alright, so let me start with the stamps and then see if I have any cutting dies for it. Because it looks like there's cutting dies and stamps. Alright, the first one is some gnomes. Very cute. She's blowing some kisses and then they're playing guitar. Looks like this is it. Yes. Then we have a ton of cute little Christmas people. We have some reindeers, we have Santa, and then we have Mrs. Claus. And I saw the cutting die for this one, I think. So for the North Pole, the reindeer. Yep. Alright, next we have some angels. We have angels, and then we also have some Easter bunnies. It looks like there's no cutting dies for these, but maybe for the next one. Alright. Cactus, succulents, and some cute little bears. They're just adorable. I think this is the cutting die for it. This one's carrying this. Yeah. And then it looks like this one belongs here. Dinosaurs. And I do have a cutting die for that. And then we got some cute little animals. Looks like mostly from the jungle. There's a sloth, my favorite. And the dinosaurs for this one. Having cutting dies with your stamps is not important, but it will make your life much easier, and it will save you time on actually having to cut it out with your hands. Like cutting those little tiny details out can be a hassle. And then we have these let me take it out, magical cat costumes. We have Peter Pan, dinosaur, a princess, a fairy, witch, pirate, and then a girl in the red thing. And with this we also have a cutting die. Next package. Wow. Lots of things in here. If I'm going too fast, feel free to pause at any time. And these came in a Ziploc. We got some reindeer. I think I had these or something very, very similar 2 hauls ago. Branches, wave, ocean waves, flower, something, stamp. Oh, look at how cute these are. Very cute. Lots of details. This one looks very familiar, or at least the boots. This one's cute. It reminds me of like an 80s, 90s cartoon. Or maybe older, like 70s, 80s cartoons. This is new. I do not remember seeing anything like this. It's very beautiful. We got some leaves here as well. And then I really like this. It's very modern and kind of minimalist. Then we have some party rats. Yep, these are rats celebrating New Year. Yes. This is a duplicate. Huh. Okay, because, or at least it's a bigger version of something I have. But I remember one of the first hauls I did that was this. And I even I pointed out what a good idea this is, because you can color all the chocolates a different color. Then we have a stencil, which is I think very beautiful. Flower stencil. Sentiments. Happy Valentine's Day. Hey you. Gorgeous. I love that rose on the top. You have my heart. I think that's separated, so you can you do not have to use a sentiment. Very nice. Alright, we have 2 more packages. Whew. That was a long journey. Alright, this one only has one thing, and it's cute little squirrels. We also got a tree branch, and some squirrels. Look at that. You can make it look like he's actually jumping into a pile of leaves. That's very adorable. And then the last package. Alright, we got big stamps here. So the first one is leaves, and these are very detailed. I don't know the quality of it until I actually test it out, but so far it looks good, although I am kind of worried about those leaves being a little too crowded and not being sharp when I stamp it. Next one, wow, look at the details on this. But again, I see a lot of crowding like this. This is very black. And it has this much stamp on it. It will be a little bit hard to color because sometimes the marker you're using, it mixes up with the black ink and it makes it a little bit blacker. So yeah, we gotta see. I'm very curious to see how dark it's gonna be, because I was pointing out this one. On the bottom I can see it's very flat. Very flat. So I'm afraid it's gonna be just a big black blob. Like, there's not a lot of details in this one. Do we try it out? I want to try it out right now. I'm gonna try this right now because it's actually bothering me. And then after this I have one more stamp. Alright, very carefully. It's not the worst, but yeah, it looks just like the example here, and you can still see a little tiny bit of details, white areas on the front. I think it looks good if you put it in a junk journal or a journal, but I don't think this will be the best stamp for a card, just because it's not very clean. It's kind of how do I explain it? The lines are too thick. There's not much room to color. It's like, it's not minimalist. There's a lot going on. It is very good though. It's a good stamp. And the last stamp I have is this big one. It's a half of a hand. A gift for you. Very pretty. I like a lot of this. Wishing you a very happy Hanukkah. Alright, so that was the haul for today. I hope you enjoyed this. There was a lot of things to see. And if you're interested to see some of the projects I do, make sure you check it out on Instagram. It's dazzling.handmade. Have a wonderful day.